A trigonometric problem. Sin theta upon cot theta plus cosec theta is equal to 2 plus sin theta upon cot theta minus cosec theta. We have to prove that left hand side is equal to right hand side. Let us take left hand side first. That is sin theta upon cot theta plus cosec theta. Right? We will take the right hand side afterwards. Now multiply the numerator and the denominator by cot theta minus cosec theta. Multiply and divide by cot theta minus cosec theta, right? Now multiply cot theta plus cosec theta into cot theta minus cosec theta equals cot square theta minus cosec square theta. Clear? Now sin theta cot theta minus cosec theta. Now this becomes sin theta, write cot theta as cos theta upon sin theta, and cosec theta can be written as 1 upon sin theta. Clear? Upon cot square theta minus cosec square theta. The next step is we'll solve this inside the brackets. Sin theta equals sin theta cos theta minus 1 and whole upon cot square theta minus cosec square theta as it was. Now this sin theta and this sin theta cancels. What we have is cos theta minus 1 upon cot square theta minus cosec square theta. Now this is left hand side resolved into this. Now this is equation number 1. Let's take right hand side now. 2 plus sin theta upon cot theta minus cosec theta. Similarly, as we have done here, multiply and divide this by cot theta plus cosec theta. Cot theta plus cosec theta. Cot theta plus cosec theta. Let's solve this only. Now 2 plus this becomes, this multiplied by this is cot square theta minus cosec square theta. Correct? Now this becomes sin theta. Cot theta can be written as cos theta by sin theta. And cosec can be written as 1 upon sin theta. Right? Now next step is plus. Now we can solve this into sin theta within the bracket cos theta plus 1 upon sin theta, and this sin theta cancels. Whole upon cot square theta minus cosec square theta. Understood? Now we'll solve this. 2 plus cos theta plus 1 upon cot square theta minus cosec square theta. Now let's solve this. This becomes cot square theta minus cosec square theta, and here we will have 2 into cot square theta minus cosec square theta plus cos theta plus 1. Now here bracket is over. Now this becomes, now let's solve this numerator. This becomes 2 cot square theta minus 2 cosec square theta plus cos theta plus 1 and whole upon cot square theta minus cosec square theta. Correct? Now here we can have, now in the numerator we add 1 and subtract 1, like 2 cot square theta minus 2 cosec square theta plus cos theta plus 1, add 1 and subtract 1. That doesn't make any difference, and whole upon the same cot square theta minus cosec square theta. Now let's continue. This becomes, now this 1 plus 1 becomes 2. You take this 2 to this side. 2 plus 2 cot square theta minus 2 cosec square theta plus cos theta, and minus 1 is left, minus 1, and the whole upon the same cot square theta minus cosec square theta. Let's solve this. Now take 2 common. 1 plus tan square theta minus 2 cosec square theta plus cos theta minus 1 and whole upon cot square theta minus cosec square theta. Now as we know, 1 plus tan square theta, now this is cot square theta, sorry, cot square theta, correct? Now 1 plus cot square theta is equal to cosec square theta. So we can replace this by cosec square theta, correct? Minus 2 cosec square theta plus cos theta minus 1, and this cosec square theta cancels with cosec square theta. 2 minus 2, that becomes 0. Now cot square theta minus cosec square theta in the denominator, right? Now what is left is cos theta minus 1 upon cot square theta minus cosec square theta, and that is equal to the left hand side. So we have left hand side equals right hand side, hence proved.
अगर ये वीडियो आपके लिए इजी हो और आपको कुछ समझ आया हो इससे, सो इसे लाइक, शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब ज़रूर कीजिए। थैंक यू।